Hi everyone, my name Valentina. We will present our works that is feature selection in the human aspect of information security questionnaires using multi-cluster feature selection. This presentation outline consists of introduction, literature review, result and analysis, and conclusion. Let us start with the introduction. The human aspect is one of the vulnerabilities in information security due to the increasing role of humans in information access. According to the Micambir cube, the dimensions of security measurement consist of technology, policy, and people. People, as the human aspect, consists of education, training, and awareness. In our work, we extended the use of the human aspect of information security questionnaires. Alternatively, we call it HAISQ. HAISQ as a tool for measure, assessing, and increasing information security awareness in organizations. The contribution of this study is reduce the features of the total 63 features used in HAISQ and then provide the most suitable number of features to be used in the next machine learning phase. The approaches in our work use first, principal component analysis, we call it PCA, as selection features. Second, multi-cluster feature selection, we call it MCFS. And third, compares the reduction result using the two approaches which one to use in the next machine learning phase. Literature review in our work consists of first, human aspect of information security. Second, human resource information system. Third, selection on the most important features. Fourth, tools for implementation. As we mentioned earlier that our work used HAISQ. HAISQ as an instrument for measuring information security awareness. It is composed of specific statements to evaluate several areas of information security. Consists of 7 focus areas. Each focus area consists of 3 sub-areas, and each sub-area consists of 3 questions classified within the knowledge, attitude, and behavior. The measurement result of the level of information security awareness can be classified into good, average, and poor. Human resource information system enables computer integration to obtain, store, process, and distribute information relating to human resource management in an organization. Information security in an organization is the responsibility of employees and the organization with the aim of prevention, detection, and recovery. HRIS has vulnerabilities in information security caused by habitual factors in an organization's human resources. Feature selection as a method to reduce the large dimension in data analysis. Principal component analysis is an unsupervised method used to reduce high-dimensional data based on the relevance of features to produce smaller data dimension without losing much information. Principal component analysis feature selection is based on the result of the highest value on eigenvector and eigenvalues. Multi-cluster feature selection is an unsupervised method with data analysis algorithm that have very high data dimensions. On MCFS, sorting and choosing features with the regression coefficients as the score. Tools for implementation, we use Anaconda as platform data science, Python as programming language, and Jupyter Notebook as an editor tool for programming. We also use some libraries to process the data such as NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, and Matplotlib. The questionnaire was prepared by referring to HAISQ, distributed the questionnaire to 148 employees from several departments at XYZ Institution. Here, the algorithm that we use in our works. First, On both algorithms, we compiling the dataset. Second, apply standardization on each dataset. Third, define base and value component that to be used on PCA algorithm and NNEC boards that to be used on MCFS algorithm. Fourth, do algorithm for PCA selection features and MCFS, and last, choose features based on the score on the algorithm. The definition of the information security awareness level is conducted after the dataset no longer contains missing data. 148 rows of data are analyzed to meet the appropriate level. The three levels include good level, in which employees have a high level of information security awareness, the average level, in which employees need to strengthen their information security awareness, furthermore, poor level, in which employees are required to foster their information security awareness. Here, PCA result based on dataset XYZ Institution. The PCA feature selection in this study uses a 90% threshold on CUMSUM. CUMSUM is calculated as the sum of variance ratio previous N and variance ratio current N. The number of PCA components required to reach 90% in as many as 33 components chosen based on eigenvalues, so that the dataset represents all information. We combine the MCFS score calculation results from three datasets, that is, knowledge dataset, attitude dataset, and behavior dataset. Three datasets are conducted through the standardization process of the values in the dataset. Compare the dataset in each sub-area to get 21 sub-areas with the highest score. Here, the explains variance ratio CUMSUM. Left is figured PCA explains variance ratio CUMSUM of 63 features. Right is figured PCA explains variance ratio CUMSUM uses the dataset of MCFS result. For conclusion, we have compared the result of PCA feature selection with those of MCFS to the HRIS questionnaire distributed at the XYZ Institution. The PCA implementation of the feature selection produced 33 features in password security, email usage, internet usage. Each parameter consists of 9 features, and social media parameters, which consists of only 6 features. The result of MCFS implementations consists of 21 features of the following parameters: password security, email usage, internet usage, social media, mobile device, information handling, and incident reporting based on the highest MCFS score. So, we have a conclusion that the feature selection using PCA compared to MCFS shows that the MCFS approach is more superior as it covers all of the HRIS parameters. Thus, the end of our work presentation on feature selection in the human aspects of information security questionnaires using multi-cluster feature selection. Thanks for your attention.